Hello everyone, it's Kathy with Paper Phenomenon. I'm here to share the November Paper Phenomenon Kit Club project. It is a mini album, but it comes in this lovely sack. And everything that you see right here so far, you get in your kit, including these gorgeous charms that you see right here. And look at this one over here. This leaf that has a little bit of a dictionary print there as well. Absolutely gorgeous. The packaging, if you will, or the presentation for this one is this sack here that I think it's completely appropriate for the fall season. Various flowers and leaves, as you can see right here. Amazing bling. This bling is part of the paper collection, the Bobunny Forever Fall. So let me take you in on a tour of the inside of the book very quickly. So it opens up like this, just a simple knot. Okay, simple knot, and here are those charms again for you all. Just really gorgeous. Hopefully you can get that in that lighting. Just realized I don't have my good lighting on, but that's what that looks like as well in the full span. How beautiful is that? Beautiful, rich, regal colors. Again, all fall, completely fall. For the mini album, I will say this is the miniest mini I have ever made, but definitely with my with keeping the 4x6 photograph detail that I like to put in my mini album still in line with this album, and I really love it. I have a brand new assembly, or spine if you will, binding technique for you all, and this is what it looks like. I'm calling it the soft spine. As you can see, you can still bend it, which is really good when you want a spine and you want your pages to lay flat. This is not just putting a cover over it and covering that spine. It's a completely different piece. This spine, I wanted to continue on with the regal colors of the book, and I wanted to do something that reminded me. This reminds me of one of those really regal library books that you see, those leather bound hardcover books. So that was my inspiration for this detail right here. And this is just a detail. This has nothing to do with the spine or anything like that. But I love the way that it turned out. I love how you get that rounded effect in the album, and it's just a fantastic binding system, and I think that you all are gonna love it. But a brand new page assembly for you all as well. It's a cardstock envelope page, so I'm calling it a pagelope, and really fun. Again, mini album for my standards, because I usually make really big books, but every single pocket gives you an opportunity for a 4x6 photo mat. This is 4 1/4, okay? And look at how beautiful that fits in there. Perfect album for 4x6 photographs. You also have a hidden pocket here, which I did. I'm going to show you all how to make that hidden pocket there. Over here you have another pocket for that fits the mat perfectly right in there. And then you also have another one on top. Excuse me. Let me move this out of the way. This may be easier to manipulate if I weren't holding the book up in the air. So another pocket in there that this slips into. Full size photo mats in this tiny little mini album is what I'm calling it. This album has a very masculine feel because of the regal colors, and if you don't, do it up with all these flowers, it could be masculine if you use different papers. So I also wanted to do that for all of the male scrappers that watch my show that are always asking for a masculine album. I think this is it, guys. So let me know what you think about this album style, the soft spine and the assembly on this book, the hidden pockets here that you see. Look at this gorgeous paper. So beautiful assembly on the pages. Another plus to this album is that the matting goes really fast. That's a really big thing for me, and I love the way the matting goes. The purpose of these tabs is because this album is all about what we're thankful for. So you're going to have 6 tabs and 6 categories perhaps, or however you want to detail the album. on things that you are thankful for. So that's what this is all about. Here is the Soft Spine album. And again, totally inspired by a book. If you look at a book and you feel the spine, you get that soft spine. And I love the way it turned out. I think it's gonna be one that I use all the time. So for those of you who want to use a spine on your book but can't achieve this flat page, this is the assembly for you. You're really gonna like it. So look out for it. The November Kit Club, everybody. I hope you like it. I think that when you get it at home, you are really, really going to be wowed by this one because it's really fabulous. Absolutely stunning embellishments and a great project. Let me know what you think, guys. Leave me a comment below and I'll be glad to answer any questions you may have. Thank you so much. This is Kathy with Paper Phenomenon, and until next time.